On today's video, I will guide you through on how you can remove your Gmail account from another device easily. So make sure to stick to the end of this video. And please, if you have any question at the end of this video, remember to drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply immediately once I see it. And do remember to like, share, and subscribe to this channel to stay connected, because I post a lot of tips and tutorials on a daily basis. Alright, let's get right to it. Alright, simply start by opening your Gmail app and make sure that you are logged into the account that you want to perform checks on. So once you've logged into your Gmail app, you are going to see your profile icon at the top. I think mine is loading up. So you can see the profile icon at the top over there. So simply click on that. So once you click on it, you are going to see manage your Google account. Click on that. So once you get here, all you have to do, just scroll. You can see you are able to scroll. So just scroll till you see security and then click on security. Then scroll down until you see this section that is called your devices. So click on it. So this is going to bring you to this section where you'll be able to see all the different devices that are using your Gmail account. So in here, you'll be able to see when last they were logged in and stuff like that. And also you'll be able to sign them out of your Gmail account, or rather kick them out of your Gmail account, if I'm to say that. So in order for you to actually kick anybody out, all you have to do, just click on the device that you want to kick out of your Gmail account, and then we have to confirm that you're actually the owner of this your account. So they have already confirmed mine, because I actually use Face ID for mine, so he actually confirmed mine. But in your own, it might actually ask you for your phone password, or it's going to ask you for your fingerprint. So once you get here, you'll be able to log out anybody that is using your Gmail account. So it's actually quite easy and also quite easy to do. And please, if you found any value on this video, I would suggest that you smash that subscribe button to stay connected to my channel, because it's actually going to help me a whole lot, because I've been trying to get to 1,000 subscribers and get my channel monetized, and it's been taking me forever to do that. So please make sure to smash that subscribe button and stay connected to my channel. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.